mom and baby. If you are new here, I would like to request you to join our mom and baby family by subscribing our channel. Today, we are in Bushy Park, which is situated in London, United Kingdom. And we have taken our little baby girl for the first time in this park. So let's see what will be her reaction to see the deer for the first time in her life. So let's go ahead. See you. I was so excited to see my baby's expression towards the deer as she was seeing them for the first time. She was very excited to see the deers. But surprisingly, she was even more excited to see the small birds, and she even chased all the birds that were near to her throughout the time we were in the park. I can see and feel that my baby really enjoyed a lot in the park today. During the first few years of life, infants and toddlers are trying to make sense of their world. One of the ways they do this is by soaking up every noise, sound, and experience that they have. Everything is so new to them, so they are exploring their world. They then take this information and come up with the ideas about how the world works. So, not only outdoors is enjoyable experience for infants and toddlers, it is critical for cognitive development. Therefore, it's always better to take your baby out in the park at least once in a day. Of course, you need to keep and maintain the social distancing and hygiene because of the current situation of COVID-19. Therefore, you can take your baby out in the afternoon time around 2 p.m. or so when the park is usually empty, meaning there are not many people in the park. If our activity had brought a little bit of a smile in your face, then please like, comment, share as much as you can because I believe sharing is caring, and also subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.